Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to cash out money from your cash app balance directly to your debit card using your mobile phone. Let's get started. First, open the cash app on your smartphone. Next, tap the money tab. Look at it on the bottom left of your screen. It looks like a bank icon that shows your available cash app balance. Now, right under your balance, tap on the cash out under the cash balance. This is where you begin the transfer process. You will now see a screen with a slider and number pad. Choose how much money you want to cash out. You can drag and slide or manually type in a specific amount. After selecting your amount, you will be prompted your deposit speed. You will see two options, standard or instant deposit speed. Standard, free transfer that arrives in 1 to 3 business days, and instant arrives immediately but include a small fee, typically 0.5% to 1.75%, minimum 0.25 cent. Pick the option that works best for your needs. Finally, confirm the transfer by entering your PIN code or Face ID, depending on how your device is set up. Here I present step-by-step screenshot for cash out to your debit card using mobile. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more quick tips.